Why do 99% of pancake lovers adore Funfetti pancakes? Because they're a burst of joy in every bite. Hey there, pancake enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Funfetti pancakes, the ultimate way to start any special morning with a smile. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly cooked pancakes, speckled with rainbow sprinkles and topped with creamy vanilla frosting. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, let's make that dream a reality. Says, first grab equal parts pancake mix and cake mix. This combo gives you that perfect cake-like texture that makes these pancakes so special. In a large bowl, whisk them together until well combined. In another bowl, mix up some eggs, milk, and a splash of vanilla extract. This will add richness and flavor to your batter. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, then let the batter rest for 10 minutes. This resting time helps the batter to thicken and the flavors to meld together. While the batter is resting, heat up your griddle and lightly grease it. This ensures your pancakes won't stick and will cook evenly. Pour the batter in 1/4 cupfuls onto the griddle and cook until bubbles form on the surface. This is your cue to flip them. Cook until golden brown on both sides. The pancakes should be fluffy and light with a beautiful golden color. Now for the fun part. Microwave some frosting with a splash of milk until it's pourable. This will be your delicious topping. Stack your pancakes high, drizzle on the frosting, and sprinkle on more, well, sprinkles. The more colorful, the better. There you have it, folks. Funfetti pancakes that are sure to make any morning festive and fun. Enjoy these delightful pancakes with your loved ones. And don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. Happy cooking and happy eating. These pancakes are perfect for birthdays, celebrations, or just because you want to add a little fun to your morning. So go ahead, whip up a batch, and start your day with a burst of color and flavor. Funfetti pancakes that are sure to make any morning festive. Enjoy! And don't forget to share this delightful recipe with your friends and family. Happy cooking! Welcome back, pancake lovers. Now that we've talked about the magic of Funfetti pancakes, it's time to roll up our sleeves and dive into a live baking session. Get your ingredients ready, and let's make these delicious pancakes step by step together. First, let's grab our pancake mix and cake mix. Measure out equal parts and pour them into a large mixing bowl. Whisk them together until they're well combined. This blend will give our pancakes that perfect cake-like texture. Next, in a separate bowl, crack in a couple of eggs, add a cup of milk and a splash of vanilla extract. Give it a good whisk until everything is nicely blended. This wet mixture will add richness and flavor to our batter. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir gently until just combined. Remember, we want to keep the batter a bit lumpy to ensure our pancakes are light and fluffy. Let the batter rest for about 10 minutes. This resting time is crucial as it helps thicken the batter and meld the flavors together. While the batter is resting, let's heat up our griddle. Lightly grease it to make sure our pancakes don't stick and cook evenly. Once the griddle is hot, it's time to start cooking. Pour the batter in 1/4 cupfuls onto the griddle. Watch closely as bubbles start to form on the surface. This is your cue to flip them. Cook until they're golden brown on both sides. Look at that beautiful color. These pancakes are fluffy and light, just the way we want them. Now for the fun part. Grab some frosting and microwave it with a splash of milk until it's pourable. This will be our delicious topping. Stack your pancakes high, drizzle on the frosting, and don't forget to sprinkle on more. Well, sprinkles, the more colorful the better. There you have it, folks. Funfetti pancakes made easy, perfect for birthdays, celebrations, or just because you want to add a little fun to your morning. Enjoy these delightful pancakes with your loved ones. And remember, sharing is caring. Spread the joy by sharing this recipe with your friends and family. Happy cooking and happy eating. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.